you see here the session source. Okay, just I will filter here some source I will just filter and reduce from you from the report. So you just follow the same thing, you can filter anything. So you see I applied total 4 filter here. So each of this filter you can use 10 at filter condition. Like if I this session source filter, if I click here, you can see I excluded the contents that is Google. So the session source which have Google, I just excluded from the report. So here you can also add, then exclude with session source everything. So here you can exclude total 10 session source dimensions. So if you have more than 10 campaign or session source or any dimensions, you need to you need to filter, then you can apply more filter here. You can see I applied total 4 filter. So here also I exclude the session source that have a Bing. Okay, again you can see in this filter I have applied the session source direct. Okay, so here you can also apply 10 and filter. You cannot use or filter, you need to use exclude and filter, and it may take some time, but if one time you make the report, you can use for unlimited time. And we have no other options to make the report what you ask without this exclude and filter. I hope I get you understand, and if anything more you need, please let me know. Thank you.